Fresh vegetables, a simple guide to understanding and using this phrase. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a common, yet important phrase in the English language, fresh vegetables. Whether you're cooking, shopping, or just chatting, this phrase pops up frequently. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's so significant in everyday English. Get ready to enrich your vocabulary and understanding. The phrase, fresh vegetables, combines two words, fresh and vegetables. Fresh refers to something that is new, recently made, or recently obtained. It implies that the item has not been preserved, frozen, or altered from its original state. Vegetables are a type of food, specifically parts of plants that are eaten as part of a meal. This can include leaves like lettuce, roots like carrots, or even fruits like tomatoes, which are scientifically classified as fruits but commonly eaten as vegetables. So, fresh vegetables are vegetables in their most natural, recently harvested state, free from any preservation processes. When we say vegetables are fresh, we're talking about their quality and health benefits. Fresh vegetables are often more nutritious and flavorful than those that have been stored for a long time or processed. They are typically associated with healthy eating and are a staple in many diets around the world. Understanding this term helps in grocery shopping, cooking, and discussing dietary choices. You'll often encounter fresh vegetables in various contexts. 1. Grocery shopping. Labels in stores often highlight fresh produce. 2. Cooking shows or recipes. Recipes may specify the use of fresh vegetables for better taste. 3. Restaurants. Menus often boast fresh ingredients to indicate quality. 4. Casual conversations. Discussing meals, health, or gardening might involve this phrase. It's a versatile term, useful in many areas of daily life. In many cultures, the emphasis on fresh vegetables speaks to a broader cultural value of eating healthily and sustainability. This phrase often comes up in discussions about organic farming, local produce, and eco-friendly lifestyles. It's not just about food. It's about a way of living and the choices we make regarding our health and environment. And that's a wrap on fresh vegetables. Understanding this phrase not only enhances your English vocabulary but also gives insight into cultural values around health and sustainability. We hope this video has been enlightening and helpful in your English language learning journey. Keep practicing, and remember, every word you learn opens up a new aspect of the language and culture. Happy learning!